So, hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. So, till now we saw what exactly one hot encoding is, and we also saw what is the meaning of one hot encoding. That is that is the process of converting labeled data to a numeric data is called one hot encoding. And we also saw a scenario where simple internet integer encoding is not suitable. So in that case, we need to apply some solution so that we can have a maximum performance and expected results like expected result should be there. So now moving forward, on one hot encoding only, one hot encoding can be applied for integer representation. The encoded variable is removed and a new binary variable gets assigned for each new integer value. The binary variables thus created are also called as dummy variables. So what exactly it is saying is that one hot encoding can be applied for integer representation. The encoded variable is removed and a new binary variable gets assigned. That is, encoded variable is removed. That is the whatever the variable that we are having is removed and a new binary variables get assigned. And for each new integer value, the binary variables thus created and are also called dummy variables. So for each new integer value, the binary variables created and are called as dummy variables. That is, the integer values which are in place of the encoded variables are called the dummy variables. So now, one hot encoding can often lead to a dummy variable trap. That is, there can be a situation where all the variables will be dummy variable. It occurs when occurs two or more dummy variables created by one hot encoding are highly correlated. That is, whatever the like encoded variable we are replacing for the integer, like the binary variables, that is called the dummy variables. In that case, if they are related in some way, in that case there will be a trap for the dummy variable. And whenever one variable can be delivered from the rest of the variable, these variables are said to be multicollinear. That is, if we are getting one variable from the another variable or the rest of the variable, then in that case these types of variables, that is the derived one, it will be called as the multicollinear. And when there is a linearity in the data set, the problem of a dummy variable trap arises. So that is, as we already said, that dummy variable trap is that when the dummy variables are correlated, and it basically when the variables that are related in derived form, that is, one variable is derived from the another variable, in that case it creates multi collinearity, and in that case only a dummy variable trap gets raised. So the problem of dummy variable trap arises, which can mess up our model. So it is obvious that it can't be our advice, or it can't be our expectations to have dummy variable trap, because it will create a poor performance in the poor performance, or the it can create an unexpected result as well. So the simple rule is that we need to drop one of the dummy variables column from the our data set. That is, suppose if a is deriving b, and in that case, and c is also deriving b, so in that case we need to drop c so that we can get out from the dummy variables trap. And we can also remove b also, because of that correlation, that is deriving correlation between a and b and c and b. In that case, removing b also will be a great option for us to have a good performance and expected results. So now we will see one of the example of one hot encoding. Here, as you can see, we have the original data, that is with team names, that is a, b and c, having points as 25, 12, 15. So one hot encoding data is like this. Suppose we have team 1 and team A. So we have two entries with team A. So in that case, team B and team C will be 0, and one, that is binary variables. As I already said, that it will be binary variable, that is it will be in the form of 0 to 1. So whenever team A will be there, we will mark it as 1, and the team B and team C will be 0, and points will be treated as 25, because labeled data, as we already said that labeled data is not our choice for most of the algorithm, that is unsupervised learning algorithms. In that case, binary variable is one of the options to move forward with. And a second, as you can see here, it is also 1, and we have total 4 B values. So as here you can see, we have 4 1, and for 2 other C, that is we have is 1 and 1. So these so from here you can see that we have these this one hot encoding data set with us. So now how we will get that what will be the structure of the data that we are having with. So for the labeled data, we need to know what are the different variables that we are having. So here we have the variables number A, B, C. So in one hot encoding, we need to add 3 columns for that 3 labels, that is A, B, and C. So the size of data will be automatically increased in one hot encoding. So and that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. In the next video, we will try to have one example on one hot encoding, and we will try to implement it on Jupyter Notebook as well using Python. So that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Stay blessed.